Thinking about starting your own online store? Let's compare Printify versus Shopify. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform. It gives you the tools to build your own online store, manage products, track orders, and accept payments. But Shopify doesn't print or ship products. It's merely your storefront and business manager. On the other hand, Printify is a print-on-demand service. You design products like shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and Printify handles the printing and shipping for you. But Printify doesn't give you a full online store, and that's where Shopify comes in. In fact, many entrepreneurs use both together. Shopify as the storefront and Printify as a fulfillment partner. So if you just want print on demand, go with Printify. But if you want a full store, choose Shopify.